CBSE Science Class 10 Chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. Let us learn the chemistry chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color. Write one equation each for decomposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light and electricity. One equation each where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light and electricity. For example, A. MgCO3 heat is given, react to make MgO plus CO2. B. 2AgCl in presence of sunlight reacts and make 2Ag plus Cl2. C. 2NaCl in aqueous electricity is passed, reacts and make 2Na plus Cl2. What is the difference between displacement and double displacement reactions? Write equations for these reactions. In a displacement reaction, one element takes the place of another in a compound. For example, FAS plus CuSO4 react and make FaSO4 plus CuS. In a double displacement reaction, one component each of both the reactants get exchanged to form the products. For example, HClAq plus NaOHAq react and make NaClAq plus H2OL. In the refining of silver, the recovery of silver from silver nitrate solution involved displacement by copper metal. Write down the reactions involved. The chemical equation for the displacement reaction is AgNO3Aq plus NaClAq react and make AgCl solid having white PPT plus NaNO3Aq. Another displacement reaction is also given here. What do you mean by precipitation reaction? Explain giving examples. In a precipitation reaction, one of the products formed during the reaction does not dissolve in solution and gets settled on the surface of the container, beaker or tube. It is known as a precipitate. For example, AgNO3Aq plus NaClAq react and make AgCl solid having white PPT plus NaNO3Aq. Explain the following in terms of gain or loss of oxygen with two examples of each. A. Oxidation. B. Reduction. Oxidation involves the gain of oxygen by a substance in a chemical reaction. Examples: 2Zn solid plus O2 gas heat, 2ZnO solid, 2Ca solid plus O2 gas heat, 2CaO solid. B. Reduction involves the loss of oxygen from a substance in a chemical reaction. Examples: CuO solid plus H2 gas heat, Cu solid plus H2OL, ZnO solid plus C solid heat, Zn solid plus CO gas. A shining brown colored element X on heating in air becomes black in color. Name the element X and the black colored compound formed. The element X is copper and the black colored compound formed is copper 2 oxide. Note the reaction: 2Cu plus O2 react and make 2CuO. Why do you apply paint on iron articles? Iron is a reactive metal. In the presence of humid air O2 plus H2O, it rusts to form a layer of Fa2O3 and H2O. To prevent it from rusting, paint is applied, which forms a protective layer over iron surface and prevents direct contact of air and water. Oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen. Why? Oil and fat containing food items or eatables get rancid due to oxidation by air or oxygen. In case the container or bag or plastic packet is flushed with nitrogen, then oxidation or rancidity will be checked. Explain the following terms with one example of each. A. Corrosion. B. Rusting. A. Corrosion integrally is a chemical process of decay of metal when they are exposed to moisture. B. Corrosion of iron metal is called rusting. It is a slow oxidation reaction which takes place in the presence of moisture. 2Fa plus O2 plus H2O rust forms Fa2O3 and H2O plus heat. I hope these video solutions for Class 10 Science, Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations will help the students. In case there is a necessity to add more questions, I will add next videos. If students have any query regarding these video solutions for Class 10 Science, drop a comment in my email ID and I will get back to you at the earliest. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email, given below. The question answers of this chemical reactions and equations will be continued in the next video.